Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can change a name on Google Meet application. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, we open main page of Google Meet application, then we have to take a look at upper right corner on our profile icon. If you don't have one, it will be just a letter like mine here, and you click on that. You will get options to add another account or manage accounts on this device, but you click option above manage your Google account. After that, you are in your Google account settings. You have to look at slide options and tap on personal info, and you will get variety of sections, but you search for one named name. After you clicked there, you will be available to change your first and last name. And for example, I just rotated my first and last name, and within 5 minutes your name will be successfully changed. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed in this tutorial, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more.